Hello students, so today we will discuss now unit 4 topic, that is testing approaches. So there are basic three testing approaches that we will discuss here, that is white box testing, black box testing and the gray box testing. So white box testing you also call a glass box testing or clear box, or you can say the structural testing. As just focus on the concept for the remember white box. In white box we search for the, or you can we test for the internal code structure, what is the process to execute, all the programming skills, all the design, all the test cases, means we focus on the internal things also. As on the other hand, in the black box testing we are just focus on the operation, is operation is performed, we are just focus on the input or the output, means we have entered the values and we got the output. Like we want to perform, for an example लेते हैं, that we want to perform the sum of the two numbers and we just enter the two number, that is 2 and the other one is 3, and the outcome must be 5. So if it is getting the right, so the particular product or the software is okay or up to the mark. So as the name specifies white box, so you can say the clear, or in the glass box means we see the internal processes, the programming skills, the how the code is going to be implemented, what are the test cases has been implemented, means we are looking for the internal things also. On the other hand, in black box testing we are just focus on the input output, means it is also known as the input output testing also, means we are just evaluate the functionality of the system or the software without looking for the internal code structure. This is the main difference in between the white box and black box testing. Now come to the next, that is a gray box testing. ठीक है, so it is the combination of both, as gray color is the combination of white and black. So as a gray box testing, it is the combination of both white and black box testing. The tester who works on this type of testing needs to have access to design document. This helps to create better test cases in the process. Obviously this is for up to the mark. In some condition we are looking for the test design, test cases and the programming skill, and in the how the code is going to be implemented and the input output also. ठीक है, so these are the three types of testing. Now levels of testing. So levels of testing, there are 4 levels of testing, that is unit testing, integration testing, system testing and acceptance testing. So unit testing, as the name specify here, that is unit testing. In unit testing we are divide our system into units, or you can say we are divide the system, or we test the system, means we are testing the individual modules here. ठीक है, means is the particular module is working correctly or not, means we are not testing the whole system, we are testing the modules here. That's why this is known as unit testing, means each module is working properly or not. ठीक है, come to the next, that is the integration testing. Integration testing is means when we are integrating the modules, okay, each module is working correctly, but if there is any interoperability problem, means modules are working properly with each other. So in integration testing we are integrate the modules and testing and perform the testing. So in integration testing we see that the modules are working properly with the each other, means interoperability is, if there is any issue of interoperability then we need to solve it. ठीक है, so this type of testing has been divided into top down approach or bottom down approach and sandwich approach also. This is the combination of top down and the bottom up. Next is system testing, or you can say the end-to-end testing. In system testing you can say it's a black box testing. Why we are saying it is a black box testing? When we are performing the test on the system, so we just test हाउ मैनी ऑपरेशन सिस्टम नीड्स टू परफॉर्म, लाइक उसको 5 ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करने थे अकॉर्डिंग टू यूजर नीड्स, तो वो उसको परफॉर्म कर रहा है और एक्जैक्टली परफॉर्म कर रहा है. दैट वी आर गोइंग टू टेस्ट हेयर. ठीक है. सो दैट्स वाई वी आर सेइंग दैट सिस्टम टेस्टिंग इज अ ब्लैक बॉक्स टेस्टिंग. ठीक है, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट लुकिंग फॉर द इंटरनल थिंग्स हेयर, वी आर नॉट लुकिंग फॉर द इंटरनल कोड हेयर. ठीक है. So in system testing we are performing the test on a complete system. Likewise we are saying that in unit testing we are performing a test on the modules. So it's just a, and say opposite, we are performing the test on the whole system. Acceptance testing, who will accept this? The concept of acceptance testing is that customer wants, we are designing or we are developing the software for a client. So obviously the client is going to accept the system if it is up to the mark or up to the user requirement. So acceptance testing has been performed by the client, or you can say the customer. So if it is okay, then it is going to be delivered and payment has been received. So acceptance testing is that we are showing or showcasing our system to the client or the customer. If it is okay, then done. Types of acceptance testing here, there are 3 types of acceptance testing are alpha, beta and gamma, that we will discuss in the another video. Types of black box testing. So here are 2 types of black box testing, that is functional testing and next is non-functional testing. So functional testing में क्या होगा, basically we will focus on the function, means particular like system is need to perform the 5 ऑपरेशन, तो वो उनको प्रॉपरली परफॉर्म कर रहा है या नहीं और वो एक्जैक्टली करेक्ट है या नहीं. लाइक वी हैव डिजाइंड अ सिस्टम कि हमने कैलकुलेटर के लिए बनाया है, एग्जाम्पल ले लो. सो इट नीड्स टू परफॉर्म द सम, द सब्सट्रैक्शन एंड डिवाइड एंड सो ऑन, लाइक बेसिक अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशंस इट नीड्स टू परफॉर्म. सो उनको परफॉर्म कर रहा है नहीं, मीन्स वी आर जस्ट चेकिंग फॉर द फंक्शनैलिटी हियर. मीन्स ऑपरेशंस जो भी उसको परफॉर्म करने थे वो एग्जैक्टली करेक्ट वे में परफॉर्म कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है. दैट इज़ फॉर द फंक्शनैलिटी टेस्टिंग. इफ़ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द नॉन फंक्शनल, हेयर वी आर नॉट टेस्टिंग फॉर द फंक्शनैलिटी, हेयर वी आर टेस्टिंग फॉर द परफॉर्मेंस, load, stress, scalability, security, compatibility, etc. Means its focus, or you can say is that to improve the user experience. And how we can improve the user experience? If user is entering the values, that it will get the result fast, means response of system must be quick. This is means in non-functional black box testing we are try to improve the performance of the system. Performance is means जो respond होना चाहिए system का, that must be quick, that is not delayed. So this is done in this testing tutorial.